Here we're using the law of cosines to solve for side AB, which in this case I'm going to label C, and just checking we can't use law of sines. We don't have any matching pairs. So let's set this up as law of cosine solving for C. We've got C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of C. Plugging things in, we're going to have C squared is equal to 10 squared plus 14 squared minus 2 times 10 times 14 times cosine of 55. And one of the beautiful things about the law of cosines is that once I'm trying to solve for a sine, I've got everything plugged in. A lot of this ends up being not thinking, but just kind of rote calculation. And that's not really particularly interesting, but it certainly makes for a little bit of an easier time when solving for a side. And the nice thing about this is that we're almost done because we got 135.3986. Getting C by itself means I've got to square root both sides. And once I do that, we've got C is equal to 11.636.